Hi folks, welcome back to the channel. It's Deb, D.E. Chandler in my books and online. And we are going to talk today about Orson Scott Card's How to Write Science Fiction and Fantasy. Now, this is the author of the science fiction masterpiece Ender's Game. In this book, his sage advice to writers about subjects like world building, character development, magic systems, they cast a long shadow, mostly because of the notoriety of his name. Notoriety? Yes. Back is the 1990s, over voicing sentiments against homosexuality, and by extension, that pitted him against the LGBTQIA+ community as a whole. While his socio-political views may be problematic, his writing mastery is obvious. The advice that he gives in this book is solid, but it's also the same advice that you could get from any seasoned science fiction fantasy master. It's Card's name and his name alone that sells this book. I would just say that giving voice to social-political views has the potential to alienate part of your audience. And that brings me to this month's code word. Your code word for May is audience. Just like Card said in Chapter 4, Section 1, as a writer, you must keep in mind your audience. And this holds true even when you're not writing. So you have to choose what you reveal in your platform just as much as you do in your work. We speak from a platform on social media or on YouTube or, anywhere that we're speaking in public. And so when we do that, we're speaking into society. And so society then has the chance to speak back to that. We have freedom of speech that does not free us from the social and economic repercussions of that speech. So just something to keep in mind, how much it means to you to voice that versus how much you want to reach your audience as a whole. So that is this month's review for May 2024. Don't forget to collect all those code words for 2024's book reviews. And after the December book review video, you can email all those code words to cattailacres@gmail.com. And then on New Year's Eve, December 31st, 2024, at midnight, we will draw to see who wins all of the books that I reviewed this year. If you'd like, you can follow me on social media. I'm all over Facebook and Instagram. And of course, here on YouTube, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tickle that notification bell so that you get all the notifications every time we drop a video. We do have more than one playlists on the channel. This one is the Chasing the Muses playlist. We also have our regular Cattail Acres playlist, which is mostly just about the homestead and the cats. And if you like to check out my writing, you can get samples of that on Patreon at Cattail Acres After Dark. And that's where I post the rough drafts and early access to all my dark fiction. So if you want to check that out, please go check us out on Patreon. Until next time, y'all be safe, be well, and we'll see ya.